Hi, let's talk about the wasabi. We show you three different wasabi. First, is the powder wasabi. Normally, most of the restaurants use this. Then we use fresh grated wasabi, the frozen product. I'll show you. Here you go. Then, this is our customer really like it. Kizami wasabi. It's a pickled wasabi. Actually, this is the top parts of not the root, the top parts of wasabi, and they still have a good flavor of wasabi. And actually, this is the real wasabi, but I don't buy because it's too expensive, and I think maybe it doesn't worth using it here. If you do the omakase, the $200 or $300, and then maybe I might use it because that's a high-end place. We are not a high-end restaurant, so it doesn't want us to use it. And then some customer ask me, but I say no. But instead of that, we use the made in Japan, the fresh frozen wasabi. This is much better. And this is actually the free. And actually, the real wasabi, most of the restaurant is not free. They charge, let's say maybe $5 to $10 the extra. That's a waste of money for you. And let's go this one, how we make it. It's very hot and spicy. And just make a little bit. See, powder. Let's go horseradish. You just add the water, then mix together. It's very strong odor, and many people when they make it, it's the tears coming from eyes. Ooh, see, hey, this is the fresh grated wasabi. No, the powder wasabi. And actually, pickled wasabi I show you. We use a lot for the appetizers. This one is here, just like that, right? Many people really like it when they use sushi or sashimi. Just add a little bit because that's kind of real wasabi, the flavor and the taste. And this one is not free. We have to charge a little bit. And you can buy this from us, and you can use your home. Let's say when you make a steak, and then maybe avocado, sea salt, and a little bit wasabi, kind of a nice steak. Okay. And I show you this one, fresh wasabi. And show you difference. This is the powder, and this is the fresh one. So I use this for the sushi and the sashimi. All my job, I use this because I want the customer eat more like a kind of a real sushi like a Japanese style. So I don't use it for the powder for my sushi or sashimi. Okay, you understand? Thank you. Oh, by the way, the fresh wasabi, I think maybe they are making in this one, the North Carolina. They used to make it, but I'm not sure. And the Oregon, they also make it. And in Japan, the wasabi, the farmer is kind of struggling because of the decline, lots of decline the production because of not much demand. And during a pandemic, they almost like gone for the business for a while. So the future, I don't know, it's not easy. And then this wasabi actually grow only clean water, clean and cold, but not frozen. So the just south of the Mount Fuji in Shizuoka Prefecture, and then the north of Mount Fuji, that means Nagano. They had Olympic before. Nagano area, the water always need to run, and even the summertime, the temperature still they keep the cold. So cold and clean, but not frozen. Those kind of water are needed. So cannot grow all anywhere in the world. So North Carolina might be good, and Oregon might be good. So you understand, they cannot grow in Georgia because summertime temperature is too high. So thank you very much.